welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. South Goa Congress ticket may go to Francisco Sardina. Congress gears for Lok Sabha poll. Formal announcement awaited. John Fernandez is a BJP agent. He wants to disrupt alliance so that BJP benefits. Neelkant Harnkar drops a bombshell, says NCP Congress alliance still on. CM refuses to abide by Union Forest Ministry's notification, says Goa not ready to ban mines in buffer zone. It's a election gimmick, says CM. High Court grants bail to municipal engineers accused in Kankona building collapse case. Bail on condition that they won't step in Kankona. And growth of cricket through franchisees forms backbone of Goa Cricket Association's Goa Professional League. Now news in detail. Sitting MP Francisco Sardina is the probable candidate on South Goa Congress ticket for Lok Sabha polls. Francisco Sardina is already vocal about it. On the other side, Ravi Naik is looked upon as the main contender for North Goa ticket. Interestingly, Congress is turning towards its old war horses due to unavailability of right candidates. Meanwhile, Congress has appointed 5 new young spokespersons on Monday in addition to the existing 4 senior spokespersons.
Congress has zeroed down on Francisco Sardina as their South Goa Lok Sabha candidate, while Ravi Naik as their North Goa candidate. The formal announcement is awaited. Francisco Sardina is already sure of his candidature.
Being a sitting MP, maka dubawna ki center maka ditle mun. म्हाका कॉन्फिडन्स आहा की म्हाका मेळटली.
बरें तुमी टिकेट मेळ्ळ्या तुमचो एजेंडा कितें आसलो मेजर एजेंडा?
आमकां हांवें एक इश्योरन्स दिल्ले आनी आतां हांवें त्यो पास केले की 2 ब्रिजो काणकोणाक आमकां आनीक पॅरलेल जुवारी ब्रिज जाय. आमचो रोड फ्रॉम काणकोणा टू पेरने आमचे हायवेज रुंद करपाक जाय. एक ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप कितें जायत गांवांनी जायत देशांनी ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप आसा आनी सबंद देशांत कोणा कडेन इंग्लीश पासपोर्ट अमेरिकन पासपोर्ट सो 2 पासपोर्ट आसल्यार कित्याक वायट जाता. सो हांव ड्युअल पासपोर्टा खातीर हांव हें झगडटलो.
On the other side, Goa Congress has appointed 5 new young spokespersons. It is a part of Rahul Gandhi's strategy of creating a youth-driven party. These are the names: Advocate Pratima Kutino, Urfan Mullah, Sunil Kautankar, Vijay Bhike, Durgadas Kamath. These 5 spokespersons will lead the state Congress on TV channels in debates and interviews. Jitendra Deshprabhu, Dr. Pramod Sargaonkar, Babu Asgaonkar and Advocate Atanad Monter will continue to be the spokespersons of the state Congress.
What has happened in India? People talk of corruption. But biggest problem is that no one is ready to get into the system. And I think youth can get into the system to clear the system. Only thing, we should have the will and desire to clean it, because youth have new ideas which can elevate a problem, which can solve a problem. And I think Congress party has shown faith in the youngsters to take the party forward. Not a relation strategy, well, keeping in mind party is in a revamping mode. It was shown some 2 months back when John was appointed as a state president. He has been given free hand by the High Command to clean the system.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
GPCC President John Fernandez is a BJP agent and he wants to disrupt the Congress-NCP alliance so that BJP benefits. NCP State President Neelkant Harnkar dropped this bombshell in a weekly program Head On. Harnkar also said that Congress-NCP high commands are in the final round of discussions and decision regarding alliance is expected by 12th March. NCP had declared breakup of their alliance 4 days ago.
इतली वर्सां सामकी बरें फ्रेंड म्हूण रावतकीर अकस्मात अशें कितें जालें की ब्रेकअप जालो?
जशें म्हणटा तशें आमची ब्रेकअप जावना. आयज देशान बाकीच्या राज्यांनी पळय युती आहा ती ऑलरेडी जाल्या आनी उरल्या फक्त गोंया मर्यादीत उरल्या. आनी गोंयानूय ह्या आदी 2 इलेक्शनाक जाली, 2 असेंब्ली 2 लोकसभेक आनी ही तिसरें आमचें लोकसभेचें इलेक्शन आनी म्हाका दिसता आमच्या लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनाक युती आसतली जातलीच.
ही युती कसली की ते तुमचे विरुद्ध उलयता, तुम्ही तांचे विरुद्ध उलयना, तरी आसा तुम्ही म्हणटात ते पार्टनर, ते म्हणटात आमकां पार्टनरशीप नाका, तुम्ही म्हणटात 12 तारीख मेरेन रावया, मदीं कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर जातात. ही विचित्र परिस्थिती कशी
ना.
दिसना?
उलयतालो तेका ते तिकेटी बद्दल कितको स्टँडींग आसतलें हांव नकळो आनी तेज्या सांगण्यान युती तुटतली काय तिकीट दिवची ना. म्हाका दिसता अशें पळय उलयता ते वन वे ऑफ दे आर द बीजेपी एजंट्स.
जीपीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट म्हणटा,
न्ही जीपीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट तेका पासून तिकीट दिवपाक कितकी से आय डोंट नो.
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटात की जीपीसीसीचा प्रेसिडेंट इज अ बीजेपी एजंट?
100%.
Goa government has refused to accept the notification issued by Ministry of Environment and Forests banning mines coming under buffer zone with immediate effect. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar cleared his views on this issue. CM also said that he has failed to understand as to why Union Mines Ministry issued another draft of the same notification. Parrikar has assured to solve this issue once new government comes to power at the centre.
Goa government is against immediate ban on mines under buffer zones.
परत ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन काडपाचें प्रयोजन म्हाका कळून ना अजुनी. आय थिंक इट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल टू गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. वी आर बाय द ओरिजिनल ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन. दे शूड कन्फर्म द फायनल नोटिफिकेशन एज पर ओरिजिनल ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन वेर फेजिंग आउट इज परमिटेड बिकॉज देर आर मेनी पीपल इन्वॉल्वड इन बिजनेस activities. If you abruptly stop the activities, some 10-15,000 people will be impacted. So that is not acceptable, and we will be sending our remark on it. Now since election code has come, it will wait for the next government. ना हांव ताजेर स्पेक्युलेशन करना, पण सुतन्यासी सांगणे न लगे म्हणजे हुशार मनशाक कित्या खातीर काडला तें सांगपाची गरज ना. म्हाका दिसता ते नोटिफिकेशन काडटकूच लोक आपले कडेन येवंक जाय बी अशी अपेक्षा आसूं शकता. ड्राफ्टाचेर जेन्ना ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन काडटा आनी एक मेजर टर्म भितरलो एलिमिनेट करता तेन्ना ताजें हेतू कितें आसा हो हांव स्पेक्युलेट करूंक शकना.
CM cleared his views on the e-auctioning and MPT rent issue.
एमपीटीचो कितें रेंट जर तूं आसत जाल्यार तो तांच्यांनी ओराच्या व्हॅल्यूंच्यान सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर येतकूच वसूल करूंक जाय. It cannot be taken from the company which has taken the ore. They have to be given ore immediately. We have written letter to MPT. Otherwise, it will be contempt of court.
CM plans to weed out corruption from the state by the year end.
I am more than reasonably satisfied with what I have performed. Certain areas needs more attention. Like for example, corruption is so deep-rooted that you can't get hold over it immediately. During this year, I will ensure that that also is taken.
Mahesh Ghadi with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.